Hi everyone. Yes, I feel as bad as I look. This is a quick video. I think it's got to be longer than a minute so they don't put in the shorts videos. So I think I redid the GoFundMe myself. I don't know if it's just because the weekend they're not doing anything. So I'm going to put the link up underneath this because I don't know how to just put, like, people just put words in, or they do surveys. I don't know how to do that, or maybe because I have a phone I can't. So I redid the GoFundMe. Hopefully it works. I pressed on the page to donate and it goes to donate, so it seems it's working. But so whatever link is here will be the one that works. If someone tries it, let me know if it works. So any other thing, the other one, well, you'll see it doesn't work. It probably has to be deactivated, but I think it has to be deactivated by GoFundMe. But whatever is the link in here is the new one I made. So hopefully, like I said, it should work because I pressed on the link that said donate and then I went to donation page. So anything you can do, I really appreciate it. I have, as you know from before, I have called, I've asked every organization, I've asked everyone. There's nothing I can do, and now this added thing with Paulie, with his insurance not paying again. Well, now they're totally changing his insurance. I really don't understand. I have talked to them ad nauseum. It's the way it is, it's just the way it is. They can do what they want, and that's what they're doing. And my situation, as you know, it's obviously, of course, because it's been longer, which I can't help, what happened to our world, but because it's longer, it's even going to cost more. But that's not here or there. The thing is, I couldn't afford any further to go to get my mouth back to shape so I could eat. But I'm just deteriorating quickly. And I just really need your help for Polly and I. So I'm going to stop right here. If you could share our link, and if you can donate, whatever you could do, I appreciate it. So please don't forget to share. I'm going to do this quick, so hopefully I can load it. Thanks. Bye.